Hey guys, it's your girls Twin Goddesses, and I'm Alicia, and I am back with another Amazon Prime find featuring one of my favorite vendors, Nadula. So if you're interested in anything that you're going to see in this video, definitely check the description area down below where I will have everything listed. And if you purchased a unit from Amazon before or even from Nadula, definitely leave a comment down below of your experiences, because we would all love to know. You know, I heard some really good experiences and I heard some not so good experiences, but we all would love to learn. Okay guys, but anyways, this is the unit that I did pick up from Nadula. This is their Water Wave, 20 inches, 150% density, HD lace, 13 by 4 inches of parting space, lace front wig. So you guys can see that lace, it will come together later. And in this particular unit, the knots are bleached and the hairline is plucked, but you know, those knots aren't giving me scalpiana or anything like that. So what I'm going to do is further bleach it. This is a quick little hack that I found work. If you don't want to bleach your hair, or if this is your first time bleaching your knots, spray the hair with some water and then go in and put your bleaching concoction on the knots. I find that even if I tried, I don't get any mistakes. All right guys, so again, a little bit of water on the other side of the wig and you should be fine. But I went ahead and I made my bleaching concoction like I always do. I do like my consistency to be a little bit more of like a frosting like consistency, therefore the bleach won't become runny onto the hair. I did allow the bleach to sit on the knots for about 25 minutes, 30 minutes, and this is how it looks. Again guys, the knots on this particular unit is already bleached. You don't have to do this. However, I'm going to need a full-on scalp if I'm going to be wearing a lace wig, okay guys? And I do find that they lightly bleached it and it just wasn't enough for me, alright? But anyways, to get rid of that brassy tone, I do use my Shimmering Lights purple shampoo, and I allowed that to sit on those knots for about 15 minutes. And now I'm just going to use the remainder of the shampoo that's left to wash the hair. And now I'm going to go in with my silicone mix hair treatment to pretty much get those curls back popping and get the hair nice and soft. This is how the hair looks once it's nice and clean, and that is the amount of shedding that I did receive. So this is how the hair is now looking once I have those knots nice and bleached. Now as you guys can see with this hairline, it is pre-plucked, but it does have like that manufactured line there, and I just want to clean it up a bit. So I am taking my tweezers and just plucking out only a few strands of hair. As you guys can see, nothing major. I'm now going to style my unit. I am opting for a side part, and I'm just tweezing a bit of the hair out of that part because I wanted it to look more prominent and not so much, you know, dense in that parting space. And I'm just doing some really simple styling. Now to get those curls to pop, I personally like to use conditioner. I know some people who like to use styling products. However, I do find that styling products does make the hair a bit crunchy for me. So I like to just use conditioner, and it keeps the hair really soft and it holds those curls in place. And when you rinse or wash the hair is going to remain nice and soft, if that makes any sense. And if it does sound like I'm speaking with a lisp, it's because I have my aligners on. So please guys, bear with me. I usually take them out, but yeah, I just didn't really feel like it. But anyways guys, this is how that hair looks. As you guys can see, I do wish the parting space was a little further back, but we're going to rock with it. All right, now to remove the lace, I do use my scissors and an eyebrow razor, and I just go by and remove it nice and slow. So now that the lace is cut off, I'm going to go ahead and get the wig on. I do feel like this wig is big head friendly. So for those of you guys who do have a lot of hair like me, or just a bigger head, you are going to feel comfortable in this unit. But right now, I am now going to adhere the wig down. So first things first, I do use some makeup remover just to kind of remove the makeup from my forehead, and I'm using the hard head bed head hairspray just to kind of hold down the lace. I do find that I like this hairspray a lot better than the other one that I was using. So shout outs to Taste Pink. I got on this because of her. But anyways, I did use a paper strip to melt down that lace, and of course my hot comb to style the hair, and this is how the lace looks. I did leave my ear tabs out, and I do kind of do that separately, okay? So yeah, now because the lace was showing up a little light, I did use a bit of foundation powder, and I did use some LA Pro Conceal in the parting space just to get that parting space to look nice and, you know, defined. But I did pull out a bit of hair on the ear tab area. You don't have to do that. I chose not to do any baby hairs with this particular wig because I wanted you guys to see just how natural the hairline looked on this unit. I've had a lot of wigs from Amazon, and by far this has to be one of the most natural hairlines. I'm going to take my fingers and run it through the hair just to add the volume back in. And I do want to apologize by the way that I do look. I feel like I look burnt out because I recorded a bunch of videos earlier in the day. But yeah, anyway, as you guys can see, that hairline, it looks super natural, and you don't have to apply baby hairs if you choose not to. Now again guys, the length on this particular unit is a 20-inch and the density is 150%. I do find that the density is very natural, and the 20-inch falls like bra strap length on me, and I am 5'8", so it is kind of like a moderate 20-inch. Again guys, I am really loving this hair. I mean, and look at this hairline. By far one of the most natural hairlines I've received from Amazon. Okay, I didn't do any extra work. Now a lot of you guys were asking, how do I remove my wigs? I use a little bit of makeup remover, and I soak a cotton pad, and I just go in and I dab it onto the lace, and really that's it. The lace will come straight up with no damage, no pulling of your edges. It's really easy, okay guys? But anyways, again, this comes from Nadula off of Amazon. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll catch you later. Bye guys.